I'm still working, 500 degrees, passion burning.
All right, guys, check it out. This is how I'm taking out the headliner right here. I left the seat inside, but I did unbolt it, and the driver's side is just laying down, and you'll see right now. Let me see if I can pull it out. So you can see it's coming out right there. So there it is right there. And I'm just taking it out by myself, so that's the headliner. And this is how it looks like right now. So I just tilted the seat back, and it's still connected right here, and the drivers can just go down. And to give me extra space, I did go ahead and remove the bottom of the back seat, but that was real easy, you know, because it just pops out. And then these, you know, they just come off with some T12s. So I believe, well, actually it's not a T12, it's a E12. That's the bolt right there, and then there's the socket that I used. So I just went to grab it in Harbor Freight. E12. And I use this right here, but you can use the, you know, like a hand ratchet and a drill. So that's it right there, just those 4 bolts.